Hello, Donnelly friends and family. This is Sherri. Here we have a 2021 Ford Edge. It's in iconic silver. You have a black interior on here. Come on, let's go take a look inside. Take a look at the size of this infotainment screen. You have an absolutely huge sunroof in here. We have a pristine interior. This car has been taken very good care of. Plenty of room in that back seat. And just take a look at the size of that cargo area. If you'd like to come in and drive this, I am here this week. You can give us a call, 740-392-2222. I'm on extension 3014. Come in and test drive this. It's priced right. It has low miles. See you soon.